You know, one of the biggest things that stops people from building with AI is the cost, right? If you've ever had a cool idea for a project but got scared off by the price tag, well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to unlock the unlimited API secret. I mean, does this look familiar? You've got this brilliant idea, you're all set to start coding, and then, boom, you hit a paywall. Suddenly you need a credit card, you're trying to figure out per token pricing where they charge you for every little thing, and there are all these limits that just kill your creativity. It's so frustrating and it can stop an amazing project dead in its tracks. So, what if I told you that you could get access to powerhouse models like Claude and Gemini completely for free? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're tearing down those paywalls. Get ready, because I'm about to show you how to never pay for an AI model again. Okay, first up in our free toolkit is Nvidia Build. Now, this is an incredible and seriously underrated resource. A lot of people just think Nvidia is for GPUs, but they have this amazing playground that's just packed with top-tier models. And the best part, it offers free API access right from the get-go. And getting set up could not be easier. Seriously, look at this. You just pop over to their Explore page, hit that Get API Key button, click Generate Key, and boom, you're done. Just copy that key and you are officially ready to start making some API calls. So, what's with the number 40? Well, that's how many requests NVIDIA lets you make per minute. That's a super generous limit. For most people who are just building stuff and testing things out, that is plenty of firepower to get your application up and running without ever spending a dime. It's an awesome place to start.
All right, let's move on to our next tool, because this is where things get even better. If NVIDIA was a great start, Google AI Studio is a massive, massive leap.
Are you serious?
This is the home of the Gemini models, and Google's free tier is, well, frankly, it's almost unbelievable how generous it is.
The process here? Just as simple. You head to the Google AI Studio dashboard, whip up a new cloud project, select it, and then click Create API Key. In literally seconds, you have the key you need to start using Gemini in your projects. And this right here is the game changer. 1 million tokens. And that's not per month or for a trial period. That is 1 million tokens every single day. To put that into perspective, that's enough to go through a book the size of The Great Gatsby like 15 times, for free, daily. This is way beyond just testing. This is production-level stuff. Now, for our third method, this one's my personal favorite because it really does feel like a bit of an inside secret. OpenRouter is this fantastic platform that pulls together dozens of models from all different places. And hidden inside is a way to get free access to an even wider variety of them. See, most people land on OpenRouter, they look at the pricing tables, and they just assume everything has a cost. But there is a super simple trick that unlocks a whole bunch of free-to-use models, including some you won't find anywhere else. Okay, you ready for it? This is the part most people just scroll right past. The secret is hiding in plain sight. It's almost funny. On the OpenRouter models page, you can just sort by price. And the models listed at $0, well, they're completely free to use through the API. It's so simple, you won't believe how many people miss this. So let's just break it down. First, you create your free API key on OpenRouter. Then you head over to the Models section. Now here's the key. Sort the whole list by price. You'll see a bunch of models listed at $0. Just pick one, grab the Quick Start code snippet, and you are good to go. Okay, awesome. So you've got your keys from NVIDIA, from Google, from OpenRouter. They're probably sitting on your clipboard right now. But what do you actually do with them? Let's take a quick look at how you take that key and make your very first AI-powered API call in your actual code. And hey, for anyone who's new to this, let's just quickly explain what an API key even is. The simplest way to think about it is like a password, but for your code. When your code sends a request to an AI service, this key proves that it's you and gives you access to the model. And this is what that looks like in the real world. Here's a little Python example using the OpenRouter library. See that part that says API key? You literally just paste the key you generated right there in the quotes. That's it. Your code is now authorized to talk to the AI. And it's the same basic idea no matter which service you're using. So let's just pull all of this together for a second. With these tools, that big financial barrier to entry for AI development, it's gone. You're not limited by credits or worrying about a trial period ending. What this means is you now have this permanent, powerful, and totally free sandbox to play in. And that is the real takeaway here. Look, these aren't just API keys. They're not just random strings of text. They are the keys to unlocking your own creativity, your own innovation. You can build, test, break things, and then rebuild them as many times as you want, and you never have to worry about getting a bill. The playground is officially open. So I'll just leave you with this one question. Now that you have unlimited access to some of the most advanced AI on the entire planet, and cost is no longer an issue, what are you going to create? Go build something incredible.